So while Chris is cutting down the downpipe, we're gonna walk around here real quick. I wanna show you under the AZ1 how clean this car actually is. I mean, for a 30-year-old car, this is as clean as you'll get from a Japanese car, because usually most Japanese cars, super rusty everywhere. There's a little cubby in the back of the AZ1 right here that you could fit like a full-grown baby. Like literally, I don't know why there's such a friggin' void there. And then the gas tank's on this side. Everything on the bottom right here is flat, so you could put a flat panel and kind of turn it into a mini Ferrari. And then the radiator is up here. If you guys didn't know, the radiator goes all the way to the front. There's pipes right here to tunnel the coolant all the way to the back. And then we're gonna be swapping out the front sway bar right here. Chris is over there just hacking things up. And it should make things a little bit stiffer. As you can see right here, the control arms, it's exactly the same front to back, and same with the coilovers, exactly the same. The only difference is probably the spring rates. But yeah, so here's the rear control arm. Looks exactly the same as the front, same with the damper right there.